See, in this question they are asking, write a Pythagorean triplet whose one number is. Now first let us understand what is Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet is set of three numbers, okay, and such that the square of two numbers, if we take the square of two numbers and add them, so that will be equal to the square of third number. Clear? I am repeating again. Pythagorean triplet is a set of three numbers such that when we take square of two numbers and add them, so that will be equal to the square of third number. Okay, in a simple word we can also take this concept is taken from a Pythagoras theorem, because in Pythagoras theorem there are three numbers in a general way. If I avoid the side, अगर हम side को छोड़ दें and we take only the numbers whatever they are, तो there are three sets of number जिनमें दो numbers का square और sum is equal to the third, मतलब perpendicular square plus base square is equals to hypotenuse square. But वहाँ हम side के respects में बात करते हैं तो we call them as it as Pythagoras theorem. But here we are talking about only numbers, so we will call it as Pythagorean triplet. I'll give an example. Suppose if I take a three number 3, 4 and 5. I have taken three numbers and if I'll ask कि क्या ये तीनों Pythagorean triplet बनाते हैं? Does they make a Pythagorean triplet? So what we have to do? We have to take square plus 4 square should be equal to the 5 square. The largest or the greatest number will always come on that side and other two smaller one will come here always. So let's check. 9, 4 square is 16, here it is 25, so it's 25 and 25 LHS is equal to RHS. Thus 3, 4, 5 makes a Pythagorean triplet, set of three numbers. We are also having one formula for that, very common formula. Okay, so how we will solve? We will solve here. I'll tell you the formula. Okay, the Pythagorean triplet is, what is Pythagorean triplet? The Pythagorean triplet is 2m comma m square minus 1 comma m square plus 1. Okay, this is the general formula. Like first number we are taking as 2m, second number we will be taking as m square minus 1 and third number we will be taking as m square plus 1. Now the question arises कि what is m? How we will find m? Okay, so there are different methods to find m. First of all, we will observe that 6 is an even number. Whenever it is an even number, you are always going to equate them with 2m. This is our assumption, our logic we will use. Okay, for an even number, we are always going to equate with 2m. So what you will write? You will write let 6 is equals to 2m, because they are telling कि whose one number is, they are using one number is, मतलब तीन नंबर का जो सेट है Pythagorean triplet का, उसमें से एक नंबर 6 है. 6 is an even number, so I am equating it by 2m. So 6 is equals to 2m. So what m will come? M is equals to 6 upon 2. हम solve करेंगे तो आ जाएगा 3. m is equals to 3. Now putting the values, हम value put कर देंगे. Okay, so how you will write? We will write, I'll write for you. आप नीचे की तरफ ही solve करें. Okay, now putting the value of m, हम m की value put करेंगे. तो here तो 2m किसके बराबर है? 6 के. We can check. 2 into 3 comma m square मतलब 3 square minus 1 comma यहाँ देखिए m square plus 1 मतलब 3 square plus 1. हम solve करेंगे तो 2 3s are 6 comma 3 square is 9 minus 1 it will be 8 comma 3 square is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. यहाँ आगे we can write the last line. Thus Pythagorean triplets are what are Pythagorean triplets? 6, 8, 10.